MAD TV, what up?
Street famous.
Your boy on Jefe. Got my nigga CAPO from New Orleans East. My nigga 5. My nigga Peter, Jake, Mossberg.
Street famous.
Capital and peace, nigga. You already don't know east to west. Yeah. Birds fly south, if you didn't know. I'm the general, my youngin' is a cop out. I don't mean to sound too fucking arrogant. I'm from Compton with 2 South parents. Russ, Louisiana, Mississippi heritage. Body bag, horses and carriages. Married to the mob, real marriage. Wedding ring, 10 carats. Stop the snitching, nigga. Stop the line, nigga. Russian AK, call it Adolf Hitler. You niggas actors, question marks, Riddler. Jim Carrey put the mask on, nigga. You know them. We got them. You see them. Yeah. We got them. You know them. Same birds fly south for the winter, and I'ma be the man once they land and they get here. I really can't complain, I'm just saying. I'm a modern day hipster, smoke joints, Dutch leaves and swishers.
Street famous.
My red tight around my head, man. Question if I gang bang, but I control the gang, man. Leave my denim hanging, nice kicks on my feet, exclusively the ones you never get to see. Bitches on my heels trying to throw it at me, but I won't take it unless you look like Holly B. A Jolie, I'm 2G, too blunt. I guess a nigga keep it 200. Nah. Take 5 on these motherfuckers. Yo, Jefe. Check Ryan, my youngin' and on CAPO. Goddamn. Interstate 10, nigga. Photo rap 5, made by Ashton Martin, off of drug money. We don't do no vlogging, we just run the cities. We don't do no jogging. From Harlem to Compton, nigga, it's a problem. They say talk is cheap, FN was soft. Jefe and CAPO, nigga, stay mobbing. In the trap house, nigga, with the fucking goblins. I get my roll on like the big timers. All in this bitch. About to go ham, you niggas crash dummies. I call y'all mayhem. So da-da-do to my dime move. At the bottom of the map, shake like the boot. 17-5, you niggas dead wrong. Worth the B.I.G. and Black Dog. Black. I'm gonna have to throw this motherfucker. I'm feeling like Cam up and paid in full. Sometimes you gotta position yourself to make moves. So I'm up in your hood, up to no good. New Orleans and Bompton, I wish a nigga would. Cross the line and get penalized. Effing cook it just like Kentucky Fried Chicken. Now I'm back on my mission. A 4-piece in the biscuit, that's a burner and a brick for you lames that don't know shit. Don't make me go top shotter on you bitches. If you want it, you can get it right now for a low ticket. 7 digits, got the Cubans fucking with me. Colombian supply across the border in Pacific. They loving the way that I mix it, but watch how I switch it when I hit them with the shipment. A dope overload, and they all sold. I still get it in the N.O. Dope overload. And they all sold. I still get it in the N.O. Sue the blood and da-da-do. I still get it in the N.O. 1